Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Umamusume Pretty Derby error code 390. Now, the first thing I want you to do, if you have the app open, okay, go ahead and fully close the app from your device. So on your phone, your PC, okay, go to your recent apps, completely close it. You restart your device, okay, and you go ahead and open up the app again. It usually works once you fully restart the game. That is one way. And the other way is to just switch to a different network because a lot of the times the 390 error is being triggered with a poor or unstable internet connection. So you just come here, okay, swipe down, you switch, okay, try switching from Wi Fi to your mobile data or hotspot. Okay, and if you're in a shared network, consider using your personal connection to avoid any firewalls or restrictions. And if you have any VPNs that you are using, I want you to go ahead, okay, and turn off any VPN. Go ahead, turn off any VPNs that using that also causes a lot of issues. And it should work for you. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to find your solution.